Is it on?
Yes, Daddy, it's on.
Okay, so let's get started.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the smartphone.
Switch over to me.
Okay. That's too loud.
Yeah, tough, right?
Okay. So, anyways, today me and Daddy are going to be setting up for my mommy's birthday.
Woohoo! So we're going to prepare a bouquet for her, and we're going to the second phase. We're going to prepare, being that she don't eat sweets, cake, or nothing of the sort. We're going to prepare a dish, a gourmet dish for her to replace the cake. So, okay. No, combination is she loves meat. So yeah. Let's see. Any event, I don't think we're gonna have to.
It'd be nice if we had sunflowers, because yellow is her favorite color. And this is my non-rose stuffing rose.
What do you think?
I like it.
Nothing.
Oh, so we are back and ready for phase 2. Okay, so now we're going to be making the food, right?
Well, Mommy don't eat cakes and sweets. So we have to try to improvise, come up with something that she can eat to replace a birthday cake. So I thought of some stuff that I know she loves, which is barbecue ribs. So what we're going to do is try to create our cake out of meat. Oh, and by the way, we washed our hands earlier.
Well, then why not?
Looks really yummy. So what do you think? Can't wait.
It's not your birthday, but guess what? Mommy has her 2 candles. So let's sing happy birthday. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Come on, sing it. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday. 1. Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 42? Are you 43? Are you 44?
Yes.
Mommy is 44. Okay, so can you go relight the candles? I want you to blow them out. Chloe thinks it's her birthday. She keeps blowing them out. Chloe, it'll be your birthday soon this year. Okay. Come on. Okay. Wait. Okay. Come. No. That's for Mommy to blow out. Okay. Come on, Mommy. Yay! Okay, let me turn the lights back on.
Okay, you got it. Okay.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Yeah.
Are you
Okay.
to eat your new
I'm
delicious
so ready
cake?
to eat. I'm so ready to eat.
Or do you want to open up your presents?
Okay,
first?
okay. Let me open up my presents first.
Wait, first present is this big
Wow.
bouquet of flowers.
It's beautiful.
Flowers. Do you want the flower that I have in my hair?
No,
in your hair?
no.
Okay.
You look beautiful. Keep it. Wow, this is gorgeous.
They smell really good. Smell.
Chloe, get off the table.
Look, it's baby's breath.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. And I love these
I
little
love this.
kind of white flowers with the red on the edges. It's very beautiful. It's gorgeous, gorgeous.
Now let's open up your present.
Okay.
The next present. Okay. So I'm
I'm
just
gonna
gonna
set
show
this to
them.
the side.
I want to show them the card.
Okay.
Chloe's playing with the candles.
Okay. Thank you, Chloe.
Okay, says to Mommy from Holly, Chloe, and Noah.
Yay!
And surrounding the crown is a big heart.
Yay!
So are
Thank
you ready to open it up and read it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, you're the kind of person. Mom, you're the kind of person we all wish we were. The kind who gives so